Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out one of the best coffee maker. This Cuisinart DCC-2650 is based on the results of years of research. In this video, we will measure its price, design, features and most importantly its quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker with affordable prices, then we have the right product for you with reasonable prices. Do check the link in the description below. Without any further delay, let's start. The Cuisinart DCC-2650 12-cup Extreme Brew programmable coffee maker comes with a glass carafe and hot plate to maintain coffee temperature. This Cuisinart DCC-2650 model is also programmable, allowing it to effortlessly accommodate your personal preferences. The Cuisinart DCC-2650 12-cup Extreme Brew comes equipped with 24-hour programmability. It can be preset up to a day in advance to automatically activate and brew fresh coffee. In addition, you have the option of leaving the audible brew complete alerts on or turning them off as necessary. With Cuisinart's convenient brew pause feature, you can stop the brewing cycle before it is complete to pour a cup of coffee. Features: 10-cup thermal carafe with a drip-free pour spout and a comfortable handle for easy serving. 12-cup carafe with a drip-free pour spout and a comfortable handle for easy serving. Extreme Brew feature uses re-engineered brewing technology to deliver coffee up to 25% faster. Brew strength control allows you to enjoy your coffee regular or bold. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, auto shut-off, and 1 to 4 cup setting. Adjustable temperature control offers a heater plate with high, medium and low settings to keep coffee at your preferred temperature. Easy to fill water reservoir lifts up for quick fill-ups, and has a window on the side of unit to display water level. Brew pause feature lets you enjoy a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle has finished. 60-second reset recalls settings and position in the brewing process in case of loss of power. Charcoal water filter. 90-day refurbished warranty. All materials that come in contact with water or coffee are BPA-free. Verdict: get your first cup of hot fresh coffee up to 25% faster with our Extreme Brew 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Cuisinart DCC-2650 has re-engineered each step of the brewing process to deliver hot coffee faster without sacrificing that fresh taste at the boldness. You love using our brew strength control, as well as the 24-hour programmability and famous brew pause feature. The 12-cup carafe features a drip-free pour spout for ultimate convenience for your first cup of hot fresh coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get updates and information on the trending products. Your feedback is important to us. In the comment box, you can let us know what else we can add for you regarding Cuisinart DCC-2650 Coffee Maker. Which product interests you, and get updates, features, and details about it.